Right, hi everyone, and welcome to day 326 of this artificial intelligence project where we're trying to make AI more accessible. Right, so today I had a chat with a VC, and I actually changed my pitch last minute because that's what we do here. And yeah, so the pitch that we pitched to this particular VC was the Excel pitch, and we kind of like use the feedback from yesterday that we got from one of the CEOs here in the Seattle area about simplifying our pitch. So it went like this. Kind of like, hey, kind of like artificial intelligence is like a super important opportunity. Uh, but, like the market of Excel users is underserved. Currently, today, modeling in Excel looks like this, and it's awful. It looks like that in HAL 9. We have the right team. We have some traction. I don't know why this is duplicated. Anyways, we have some traction, and that's it. And their feedback was actually that there is a company that they invested in called Grow. Yeah, they're called grow.com or whatever. And they were mentioning that, like this is like a really, really tough space, like the BI analytics space. I don't think they fully got that, we're beyond that, right? Like, grow.com doesn't support predictive analytics. It's all about data visualizations and transformations. So I don't think he fully, I don't think they fully realized that. But on the other side, it is true that this is like a giant, it's a very, very competitive space, the BI space. Anyway, so I'm thinking of tweaking back again our pitch, and I haven't fully, like restructure it, but like I want to, it might be wise to go back to the original mission of the company, which is to build an application, a cloud, and a marketplace, and kind of like go with that angle, because I feel like we're getting cornered in different places. It's like if we go to for web developers, it's like, well, web developers want to use IDEs, right? If we want to go for data scientists, like, yeah, they're already happy, they don't need a low code solution. And if we go for BI people, it's like, yeah, like that space is saturated, right? So I think we need to expand a little bit more the vision of the company, which is not actually expanding. We're already have that vision. We just need to explain it and just say, hey, this is where we're going, and this is why we're tackling it in this order. Anyway, so we'll see. I'll probably share the next one soon. And let's see what else. Yeah, the sitemap. So I redid the sitemap because for some reason, whenever you search HAL 9, like the sitemap is not actually showcasing all the files. So I redid our sitemap. Now it looks like this. Basically, we were missing a lot of community pipelines that have been getting created. So now we have all of them, and I'm hoping that now Google starts picking this up. But yeah, we'll see. All right, so we have that. And actually related to that, where's Quora? Oh my God, there's so much stuff here. Yeah, so related to this, I created one pipeline in Quora. Someone was asking, it's like, what's gonna be the price of Ethereum in 2021 and 2022? So I created this quick pipeline, reusing some of the Bitcoin blocks that we already have, just to predict, and this is a simple regression for the price of Bitcoin over the long term and Ethereum. So we'll see about that. Yeah, Docker. So the big work item for today for me was generating a Docker image, like a public Docker image. So now we have like a public project, HAL9AI/HAL9-Docker. And basically, we're doing this for two reasons. One is to let the community add dependencies and change the Docker image with pull requests. Anyways, yeah. And the other one is just to reduce, like a startup time, because there is better infrastructure out there to build Docker images than what we can do in HAL 9. And our worker role layer is pretty thin. It builds in in about 2 minutes. So we're basically doing the heavy lifting outside of HAL 9 in GitHub and Docker image. And actually, one of the things that I learned, which is interesting, is that, sorry about that. So one of the things that I learned is that there's a way of using GitHub Actions caching to build the images really fast. So basically you use docx, Docker buildx, and then you use the caching, which I think the caching, yeah, this is the caching part. No, sorry, that's where's the cache? Move the cache, create the cache, yeah, build the cache, this part. Yeah, so basically you can store the previous layers in the GitHub infrastructure, and then rebuilding the images is actually really, really fast. Yeah, so we did that. That works. And yeah, the pitch, I already mentioned it. I kind of like also started working on exporting the pipelines. I don't know where they are. Yeah, this one. So I'm working on exporting the pipelines, and yeah, a little bit of progress there, but nothing major. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, anyways. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll keep you posted and see you around.